Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate social media posts with Hootsuite, full guide step by step clearly. To automate social media posts using Hootsuite, start by visiting the Hootsuite website. Sign up for a new account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Hootsuite dashboard. Next, connect your social media accounts. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Manage Social Networks from the drop-down menu. Choose the platforms you want to connect, such as Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. Follow the prompts to authorize Hootsuite to access each account. With your accounts connected, navigate to the Publisher tab on the left sidebar. Click on Content Calendar to view your scheduled posts. To create a new post, click on the New Post button. Select the social media accounts you wish to post to. In the text box, compose your message or upload media like images or videos. You can also shorten links using Hootsuite's built-in URL shortener. Once your content is ready, you can choose to post immediately or schedule it for later. To schedule a post, click on the calendar icon and select your desired date and time. Review your post to ensure everything looks good. Click Schedule to finalize your post. You can also use the Bulk Composer feature for scheduling multiple posts at once. Upload a CSV file with your posts, including the text, links, and scheduled times. After reviewing the details, click Upload to schedule all your content at once. Monitor your posts by returning to the Content Calendar regularly. For insights, check the Analytics section to gauge the performance of your content. Adjust your future posts based on what your audience responds to best. Hootsuite allows you to manage multiple accounts efficiently, saving you time and effort. Explore additional features like monitoring streams and responding to messages directly within the platform. This completes your guide on automating social media posts with Hootsuite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.